What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a positive day. So today I'll be doing an under $500 gaming PC build. I did another build with a 3700X with 1060 gigabyte. You can check the video out right up here, this link right here. And I also did a benchmark for it too. So let's get started with the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Before we start out building a PC, let's go over the parts that I got for the system build for under $500. Alright guys, the part I went with is the CPU for this build is the Ryzen 5 2600. They have 6 cores and 12 threads. The base speed is 3.4. The max boost is 3.9 gigahertz. This is going to be plenty for gaming and also even for content creation, for video editing if you're into that, for 1080p or even 4K as well, depending what you're going to do, and color correction and whatnot. You could have saved more money if I did it by the 2600. I could have got the 1600. That was $100, but I see it as add an extra $20 and get the 2600 instead with better base speed and max boost. So the motherboard I went with is the Bazooka version 2. This motherboard I like. I never had an issue with it. That's the reason why I went with this motherboard again. And it's gonna be good. It also have a M.2 slot on this as well. You want to use the M.2 for faster performance. But the storage I went with is the SSD by Silicon Power, 128 gigabytes. And I'm gonna be putting the OS on this. And the mass storage to be using for gaming is a 2 terabyte mechanical hard drive for $50. I got brand new. All the parts on this could be down in the link below. The graphic card I went with is the MSI RX 580 8GB. I got this used for $100. It was a good deal when I got it, and it still have warranty on it, so it's a good thing if there's any issues with it. And this could be plenty for 1080p gaming as well. The RAM I got for this build, especially with Ryzen Love Fast RAM, I got the T-Force DDR4 Gaming Delta RGB 3200 megahertz. Now I never used this RAM before. The reason I got this is because I wanted RGB. First time I have an RGB RAM, and T-Force heard some really good things about it. So that's the reason why I got this today, to test it out. The case I be using is a DIY PC orange case. Yes, it's called a DIY PC. I got this off eBay for literally $20 with free shipping. So it also comes pre-built, 3 fans in the system, so that'd be good. I didn't have to spend money on fans, so it's going to have good airflow. I'm also, the 2600 come with its own stock heat seat as well, so that's good too. Save some money on that. Alright guys, you guys didn't see that. Alright, so now the power supply that's gonna power this whole thing up, I'm using the EVGA 430 watt 80 plus. Now you gotta be saying this won't be enough. This is gonna be plenty to power this up. I check it out already and I test it out with my other builds with 3700X 1060. It works just fine. Now you can always swap these parts out. These parts are not solid, that you have to use these parts for your build. You could always swap things out for your preference or what brand you want to use. I'll also be linking down the alternative hardware you can use as well. The cool thing about this build is that it is upgradable, especially with this B450 motherboard. You can also put a 3900X, 3800X, or even a 3700X in this build. And you could also replace the power supply like I stated, and always add a M.2 if you want to in the future. Like I said, this is the budget build for under $500. So I think that's everything, right? So now I'm not gonna do a guide by guide build. So let's put the system together and put some benchmarks, see what this baby could take. Let's go. Alright guys, so I just finished the build. So let's take a look at it real quick, how it looks like with the panels on. Let's power the baby on. So this is how it looks like when the panel is on. Now, like I said, this is not about aesthetics of how it looks. It's a low budget build, and you could always change the case or the RGB fans and whatnot. Alright, let's take a look at the inside of the case. Alright guys, this is the inside of the case. The wire measurement was pretty easy since the back have a good opening to hide the wires and whatnot. I also placed the SSD on the back of the case to hide that as well. Alright guys, so like I said before, you could always upgrade the system. Like I said, it's the under $500 bill. This could have been only like a $400 bill if I wanted to went cheap with the parts. Now you can always pay the CPU, the heatsink, the RAM, add more RAM, add an M.2 for faster performance or boot time, GPU and power supply or whatnot with the system to make it look the way you want to make it look like. Alright, so now I'll be doing a in-game benchmark and doing a gameplay with Call of Duty Modern Warfare, the new one that came out. Since it doesn't have its own in-game build benchmark, I'll be doing a short gameplay of it and see how it works with this under $500 gaming PC build, if it works or not. Alright, so don't forget to subscribe and whatnot so you get more videos like this. I might even try to put it in the 1060 in this, how this baby run with 1060 as well. And also check out my other build video that I made. The card will pop up, or check out my channel. You see the part there with the 3700X and with the 1060, and I also did a benchmark for that as well. So like I said guys, I hope you guys like this video. So let's stay positive and whatnot. Alright, let's go. God bless you. Let's go over the benchmark. Let's go.
Contact! Enemy at the top! Ah! Reloading! Enemy in the area! Personal radar ready for it. Got Bravo. Bravo! Hostiles taking Bravo.
Reloading.
We've lost B.
Enemy infantry.
Let's go.
Affirmative. Yeah, sure. Yeah, man. I hear something.
Get out of here, mis Dios. No, not today. Turn back. Walk away.
baby.
Shit!